Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a little different. As you can see from the title, I am going to be cleaning my makeup slash vanity table. It has become increasingly messy and disgusting, so I just decided that I wanted to film this. I was actually inspired by Laura Lee. I wanted to show you guys how it looks like right now. Ta-da! This is my vanity table. As you can see, my desk is really cluttery and it just has a lot of different things laying around, like nasty Q-tips here, and then I just have like this Nintendo Switches here, and I have like dog chewing bones here. I even have this jewelry holder that I made when I went to Minnesota to visit my sister. I made that and I have not hung it up. I just kind of like left it there, and all these disgusting brushes needs to get washed, these as well. So yeah, I decided that maybe I should just go ahead and film a video just cleaning up this desk because it is very much needed. Let's just go ahead and get going. If you guys want to see me clean my desk, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Alright, the first thing that I want to do is get rid of stuff that I don't really need, such as this Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna take that outside along with these two dog toys. I forgot to show you, but I also bought this from Amazon, so I was thinking of using this to kind of help organize my table a little bit. I kind of wanted to stray away from acrylics organizer, but I feel like I really needed one, so I bought this one. It looks really cute as well, so I will take that out in a little bit. So these are going in the trash, so I don't need it. I'm gonna throw this one away. All right, so I have these two drawers here. This is like my lashes drawers, and I usually keep like my necessity stuff, such as my foundation, concealers, and the bronzers and primers that I use the most and stuff. So for the things like that I know that I'm going to continue using, like this palette, I've just been really loving it a lot, so I'm just gonna throw it in here because I know I'm gonna use it again. So I'll leave that there for now. Okay, so along with all these lipsticks, I'm not gonna be using them. I tend to leave new lipsticks that I want to try here. So these two lipsticks here, I haven't been using them, so I'm going to be putting them away. This one, I haven't been really using it either, so I'll put it away. This one, I've been using a lot, so I'm going to try to keep this. This one is the Pat McGrath lipstick as well, so I'm going to leave this here because I've been wanting to use it. These ones are from Dear Dahlia. These are like super tiny little lipsticks. I've been wanting to wear them as well, but I just haven't. I've been using this one more. As you can see, they're so tiny, but they're so cute. I've been really loving this one, but I haven't really tried this one yet, so I'm gonna keep this one out here. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to keep them in these little packets because I feel like it's just easier if they're all in one packet, but I just kind of want to organize it better somehow. So I'll leave it here. I'll maybe figure that out. I really like these because these are like some sparkles that I like to leave on, you know, put on my eyes. I'll probably keep these two. I don't want to leave it here. Maybe I should throw some of these stuff away too. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna throw this one away. I'm not even using this one. I think I got this from a BoxyCharm box, so haven't been using that, to the trash. This one I'm going to put away, and I really do like these two a lot. They're really sparkly and nice, so I'll keep them in here for now. If I don't use it, I will put it back into my makeup area. I'm probably gonna clean this out too. Okay, so I haven't been really using this one. This is the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. Probably not gonna keep that one. I wanted to really like this e.l.f. one here. It's just a cooling face primer, but it feels so sticky. I do not like it at all, so I'm getting rid of that. And I'm just gonna keep these ones here. I'm trying to make room for this. I'm just gonna keep this in here like that. Okay, I'm probably gonna take this back out, put it away as well. This is my little coaster with my beauty blender, which I need. Obviously, it's a necessity. I need that. This little area is where I keep my brushes. I don't know if I really want to keep it like this, but we shall see. These are my setting sprays that I like. So these are the three major ones. This one is like almost done. This little area over here definitely needs some cleaning up. This is the new Juvia's, the Blushed Rose palette. I have this on my eyes today, as you can see. So I've still been using this, so I want to leave it out here because I always keep the palettes that I use a lot. I just need a better way of organizing things, you know. This palette, of course, I've been using it a lot as well, especially that one shade right there. So this is really the only highlighter that I have been using, so also want to keep this. These palettes over here though, I can put away. I don't really need them right now. Okay, so this is my inhaler. I just like to put it on my desk so I can use it because I'm really bad at using my inhaler. I should be like using it every day, but I don't, which is really bad, but I will try better with this. And this is just like a little Armani sample. I should use it just to try it, but I've been pushing it off, so I need to try it soon. I got these YSL lipsticks. I haven't used it, but I just like to display it because it's like super cute. So this one along with this one here, like the pattern is so cute. I managed to clear out my desk. Now it's all cleared up. I have some Lysol wipes here and I'm going to wipe this up because it's pretty dusty and dirty. And I love this desk, this like wood desk. It's super cute. It's definitely much better than the black one because like that one you can really see like all the dust, and it's the markings like from my makeup gets on it like so much that it just leaves like white marks. So I really enjoy this table right here. I managed to get some help from Riza to help me make this little acrylic makeup organizer. So I love it because it has this little rotating circle thing down here, so I can just rotate it when I need something. And then this top part right here is perfect because I can put like the lipsticks that I was talking about earlier, the ones I've been wanting to use or try again. I'll just put them up here. First thing to put on here is my mirror. This is gonna be right by the window. So when I do my makeup, I can use natural lighting to help me with my makeup. Right, so I don't know. I want to put that there, or should I put it in the middle? I want it to be in an area where like I can constantly grab it. So I'm probably gonna put it in the middle here for now, and we'll see. It may change. All right, my brush holder, I'll leave it onto the side for now. Kind of like it like a little bit further. Just don't want it to be really in the way. I also have this other bowl. These are like where I keep my bigger brushes. Okay, I might have to move this a little bit to the side. I'm just gonna leave this over here so I can keep the brushes together. I have this one over here. This is where I keep like my eyeliners, my mascaras. And these other ones here are like the little Stila glitter stuff, which I haven't really been using it, so I might just be throwing them away soon. I've had them for quite a while already too, so should I put this on top here? I don't know. I should utilize like the height of these things, I guess, just so it's not so cluttered, you know. This is a necessity right here. This is my sharpener from NARS. I've had it for so long, so I'm just gonna like keep it here with my brow freeze. So of course these two things I constantly need, so I just like to leave it off to the side a little bit, just kind of like, you know, out of my way. This is why I like this, because I'm able to adjust this accordingly. So I'm able to make this taller to fit my setting sprays. How cool is this? Yes! Okay, I'm so happy with that. So as you can see, the brow freeze, the sharpener and stuff is on top, and then the setting sprays were able to fit perfectly under that. The problem is these. I don't have another really better way to store this, and just to kind of like leave it off to the side. Like these are like palettes that I constantly use. So this is my little beauty blender, an extra beauty blender, and this eyelash curler. wish I can leave on this little organizer. And I might just toss this in here as well, just because it's just an extra one. Same with this one. This is like an extra beauty blender. I'll leave that down here for now. Okay, my inhaler shouldn't really even be here, but whatever, I'll just leave it in here. I mean, I just feel like this is really useful. Let me just put this up a little higher. I really do like this cute little packaging here, but I may just take them out and put it up here instead. Might as well utilize my little new organizer here. So I'll put all my YSL lipsticks. Yeah, this is all I have for my desk now. I'm liking this so far right now. It's definitely much cleaner than it was earlier, as you guys saw. I'm definitely going to be cleaning these brushes after this, so don't worry, my brushes are not going to be that dirty. But this is really cool. I still have so much more space. Like, I haven't used these two yet, and I still have so much more space up here too, so you know, I might switch things out. But yeah, so far I'm gonna just keep it like this for now. And yeah, this is the aftermath, you guys. I love it. So much cleaner and more organized. That is all that I have for today's video. I know it's kind of different and all over the place, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for your support, your love, and for watching my videos. I have more videos coming, so don't worry. Keep an eye out on that. But for now, I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.